Malvern Glass Home Improvements are a professional, accredited company that specialise in installing beautiful and durable windows, doors, conservatories, conservatory roofs, fascias, soffits and guttering to any property. As a family-owned business established in 1978, we pride ourselves on supplying and installing only the highest quality products to enhance and improve your home. We are based in Malvern and cover Worcestershire, Herefordshire and the surrounding areas. Visit us in our showroom and our friendly and knowledgeable team will take time to listen to your requirements and make recommendations tailored to you. Our timber, PVC and aluminium doors and window frames come in a stunning range of colours and styles to suit you and your home. We offer external doors for any room of the house, with a beautiful selection of bifold doors, sliding doors, French doors, lift and slide doors and contemporary entrance doors. And whether you require casement windows, sash windows or vertical sliding windows, we are sure to have the perfect choice. We supply and install glass roof conservatories, tiled warm roof conservatories and orangeries from premium brands such as Ultraframe and Leica in a range of colours and styles. When you come to us, you can be assured of only the highest quality products and workmanship. We offer a 10-year warranty and all of our building work is fully building regulation compliant. What's more, we are Fencer registered as well as being a Which trusted trader and Yell 5-star rated. We always take the time to listen to your requirements, so our friendly team can advise and make recommendations tailored to you and your home. So why not give us a call today? Malvern Glass Home Improvements. Quality improvements for your home.